Welcome to a sim code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we will learn about NumPy array indexing. Indexing in NumPy refers to selecting elements from an array. It is a powerful way to access and manipulate subsets of data. NumPy provides multiple ways to index arrays efficiently, including basic indexing, slicing, Boolean indexing, and fancy indexing. Creating a 2D NumPy array. Accessing a specific element. Accessing the element in the second row, index 1, and third column, index 2. Slicing rows and columns. Accessing a subarray. Selecting rows 0 to 1, excluding 2, and columns 1 to 2, excluding 3. Using Boolean indexing. Create a Boolean mask where the condition, element greater than 5, is true. Extract elements where the condition is true. Fancy indexing, indexing with arrays. Modifying elements using indexing. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to a sim code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.